Lightening is not bad, but if not properly guided or if not properly used, you end up thinning your skin, you end up causing a rebound of hyperpigmentation. Most times we actually mistake brightening for lightening. It tends to be a very big issue. You see, most customers would come, they'll tell you, I want to brighten, I want to brighten. But in the other sense, it's either they want to lighten, whiten, or bleach, but they won't come out straight. So that's most times the issue here. Not being sure the differences between these two. When you say you want to brighten, understand that to some extent it is different from lightening. Brightening is actually renewing that your natural glow. Brightening products will help fade off those mild pigmentations. It will help to revive that your dull skin. You've been stressed, you've undergone a lot of maybe hustle work, your skin have got dull over time. This would help. Brightening agents, they will help boost hydration, help exfoliate, remove dead skin, help brighten your skin to that natural glow, what it ought to be. Now, what are these products that you look out for when you're looking out for brightening products? You look out for niacinamide, you look out for vitamin C, you look out for hyaluronic, you look out for lactic. Lactic being a mild exfoliant. You look out for alpha arbutin, but in a mild form. But most times we don't understand that the percentages of most active ingredients matter. When you use a higher percentage of alpha arbutin, it can lighten you way in excess when you use a higher percentage, because it's a very good brightening agent, and it can also be a lightening agent when it is very high. That is actually brightening. But when you come to lightening, it is a different thing altogether. I'll explain. Lightening focuses on reduction of melanin production. This is you also fading off that your severe dark spots. This is actually you lightening that your natural complexion. So when lightening, when you think of lightening, I want to lighten up a bit, know that you're trying to reduce your skin pigment, that natural complexion, to lighten it more than what it ought to be. Lightening is not bad, but if not properly guided or if not properly used, you end up thinning your skin, you end up causing a rebound of hyperpigmentation. I explained that in the video of when I mentioned about lightening products. I explained about the glutathione. You look, check this video up here. Look out for the link. Check our pages, either of them, TikTok, YouTube, Facebook, Instagram. You will see this video. I explain more what it means when we say rebound of hyperpigmentation. When you use speed to go up, get way lighter. Most persons don't look out for the side effects. That was well explained there. Now, what are these active ingredients that you look out for when you want to lighten up, or that can lighten you up? You look out for hydroquinone. You look out for kojic. You see kojic? You look out for alpha arbutin, but now in a high dose, in a higher percentage. I told you in the other, when it comes to brightening, in a mild form is okay, but when it's high, it will lighten you significantly. Now you look out for glutathione, you look out for TXA, also in high form. So be sure to know which you're going for. I know there's another one, whitening. Comment below what you would like us to discuss and what you think about brightening and lightening, and which of them you prefer. I'll see you on the next video.